Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the most exciting video and I'm literally so excited to show and tell you everything that this video is going to be. And today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Oodie. Now the Oodie actually reached out to me and asked if I wanted to collaborate with them. Of course I said yes, literally like in shock that they wanted to even collaborate with me and send me an Oodie to review for you guys, and I just want to say a big thank you to the Oodie. So yeah, basically this video is going to be an unboxing and a try on, so I'm going to stop blabbering on and just get into the unboxing. But before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My name is Francis. Also don't forget to leave comments, give the video a big thumbs up if you liked this video. So yeah, enough of that, let's just get into it. So this is the package that the Oodie has come in, and this actually arrived yesterday. It got sent out so quickly, like super fast, and I literally can't wait to open this and try it on and show you guys because I'm so excited. I'm gonna keep you waiting, so let's just dive into this and let's have a look. So this is the package that it's come in, and it just says welcome to a world of comfort, and I'm obsessed with that. So let's just get into this. I'm literally so excited to open this. Oh my god, I can see it. Oh my god. I'm literally so excited to open this. There was literally so many different options that you could pick from. I will show you like some on screen right now, and I just kept going back and forth trying to pick one that, I mean, I was obsessed with so many of them, but the one I went with is the Panda Oodie, and I've literally been obsessed with pandas since I was a child, and I literally have my childhood teddy, which is a panda, so it only felt right to go with the panda one. I'm struggling getting into this. Oh my goodness. Oh, look how cute this is. Oh my god, it's literally so soft. I love the way that it's come packaged, like that's really cute and sweet. So let's just unravel this together. This is literally so crazy to me. Like, thank you so much to Oodie for sending me this. Like, it's, yeah, I'm literally in like shock right now. I'm also rubbish at untying things. Okay, finally. So it's just come with like a little card, and it just says, we wanted to get your new scrumptious and utterly buttery item to you as fast as possible, so our cuddly consultants have vacuum sealed the coziness and sent it into a deep sleep. To wake up your new item and bring it back to its fluffiest and puffiest self, we recommend washing it as per the care instructions. I will literally be doing that ASAP. We're committed to doing more good, the kind of good that brings a warm fuzzy feeling to our community and also our planet. We've recently removed our mesh moving bed to reduce landfill and keep the otters smiling. Oh, I absolutely love that. Visit our website to discover more about what we are doing to reduce our footprint. Love that. That's really cool. I love that they've included that. That's really sweet. Just want to add that also, like, this whole thing is like cruelty free, which is incredible, and I think that's such a nice thing that they can like advertise. But yeah, let's just have a look at this. I can't believe how incredibly soft and snuggly this feels. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It even smells really nice. This is so soft. I'm literally never ever gonna take this off. I literally cannot wait to put this on. Look at it, and it's got like a hood. Oh, it's got like, this is literally gonna keep me so warm in the winter. And I live in the UK, so like it's basically cold like all the time, so I'm literally just going to be living in this. And I'm the type of person that, like, if I'm not going anywhere, I will be in the most like comfortable clothing I can't sit around in jeans and be uncomfy, and this is literally solved all my problems because I'm literally gonna get ready in this. I'm gonna watch films and movies. Like, I'm literally just gonna be... This is literally so cute. Like, look at the pattern. It's got all little different like pandas, like little eating like bamboo, just like having a good time. This is gonna be me. That's literally me. So yeah, enough of me just like shouting words at you. I am literally gonna go put this on right now. Literally, oh my god, I didn't even realize that it's got like cuffed sleeves, which makes this so much better. This is perfect. Like, this is absolutely perfect, and they're not too tight either, but they like sit there really comfortably. And when I was putting this on, I had no issues getting my head through it or anything because the head hole is like just the perfect size, so you're not going to ruin your hair, you're not going to ruin your makeup. So I'm definitely 100% going to be wearing this when I'm doing my makeup and getting ready. I'm literally never going to take this off. My boyfriend is literally just going to be seeing me in this, like, oh my god, like, wow. I'm so glad that I went with this panda print. Like, it's just adorable. I'm just gonna stand up and you can see like view, like, wow. I'm just gonna have to stand on the bed. You can see now it's super long. Like, it's literally just like a blanket. It's, oh my goodness, I'm actually so obsessed. Actually, I haven't even shown you with the hood up. I'm gonna fill my pocket with everything, my phone, my snacks, like everything. Look at this pocket. This is literally the best thing. It's so cute. Oh, I'm never gonna take this off. I don't want to ever take this off. I'm actually gonna be doing everything in this. I'm gonna be doing my makeup, doing my hair. I'm gonna be playing my video games, and probably even put like moisturizer on your legs and, like, you know, let that dry out. Like, I might even go to the shops in this, no shame. It's literally the best thing ever. Like, it's so snuggly. It just feels like a really big warm hug. So yeah, thank you so much to the Oodie for sending me this. There's literally so many different designs that you can get. Super easy, the shipping's fast, it's cruelty free. You're literally not going to need to put your heating on in the winter because you literally can walk around in this fluffy cloudness of warmth. So if you guys want to get yourself an Oodie, I actually have a code for you, which is Francis15, which I'm going to pop on screen now, but I'm also going to leave it in the description down below. I'm also going to leave a link to the Oodie's website, and you can click on that and have a look at everything that you offer. There's literally so much on there and so many different designs. There's literally so many to choose from, like whether you're into, I don't know, there was another one that had like black hats on, which was literally so cute. They had like Pokemon ones, they had Harry Potter, they had just plain pink and blue ones. They literally have like anything that you want. Like, you'll find your vibe, and this is my vibe. Being snuggly in my Panda Oodie. That rhymed. Being snuggly in my Panda Oodie. Literally, these are literally perfect for anything. Like, you can gift them to your friends and family, for birthdays, for Christmas, literally any occasion. So that brings us to the end of this video of me unboxing the Oodie. I just want to say like a massive thank you to the Oodie for contacting me and asking if I wanted to collab with you, and obviously I was never gonna say no. So thank you so much for giving me this like opportunity, because I've never collabed with anyone before, and this is gonna hold like a special place in my heart. Like, what have you done to me? I'm literally gonna be stuck in this forever. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully I will see you in my next video. I love you lots, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.